Why we always want security. There is the desire for security, and one can understand this desire to be secure when you meet a wild animal, a snake, or you watch when you cross the road. But there is no other form of security. Really, if you look at it, there is no other form. You would like to have security with your wife, children, neighbor, your relations if you have relations, but you don't have it. You may have your brother, mother, father, but you are not related. You are completely isolated. There is no security, psychological security at any time, at any level with anybody. This is the most difficult thing to realize. There is no psychological security with another because he is a human being, and so are you. He is free, and so are you. But we want security in our relationships, through marriage, through vows. You know the tricks we play upon ourselves and upon others. This is an obvious fact. It does not need great analysis. We never come into contact with this insecurity. We are afraid of being completely insecure. It requires a great deal of intelligence to understand insecurity. When one feels completely insecure, one runs away, or not finding security in anything, or becomes unbalanced, ready to commit suicide, to go to a mental hospital, or one becomes a most devout religious person, which are all the same forms of imbalance. To realize, not intellectually, not verbally, not as a determined, willed attitude, fact that there is no security requires an extraordinary simple, clear, harmonious living.